Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. So what we are looking at today is something called ChatGPT plugins. We knew that ChatGPT had limited knowledge of information in the current events. So to which date the model was trained. So if we want to have access to current events, then we can do that with plugins. So ChatGPT with plugins enable you to access current world information. So there are two plugins which comes intrinsic with this. So one is the browsing, which is listed here. So if you go down here, so the browsing plugin comes inbuilt with ChatGPT, which basically uses the Bing API to fetch data from the internet. So it's an experimental mode that knows when and how to browse the internet. And the next one basically is code interpreter. So we could till now create code, but we could not execute it. But with code interpreter, we can do that. Currently, it only supports Python. So we will look into this in the follow-up video. But first, before we get started with this, so you need to have access to ChatGPT plugin. So to do that, go to ChatGPT join plugin waitlist. I will attach this link here. Enter your first name, last name, your email, and your country of residence, whichever country you are residing in. And you can provide feedback if you are interested in. And if you are a developer, then you can fill in the additional details, provide your GitHub, Twitter account, and if you have a company name, you can provide it. Or if you want to just try plugin in ChatGPT, you can still do it based on this. And the catch here is ChatGPT does say if you are not a developer with a very interesting use case or application, then ChatGPT plus users will get preference over the non-paid ChatGPT users. So that's one thing I wanted to mention here. So we will be looking at creating plugins in the future. I've applied for my plugin already. I hope you guys do it too if you want to follow along in the future videos. It takes a couple of times, so I'm not sure how long it takes. The timeline I looked at was varying, but this is something we would be looking into in this plugin series. So please make sure you join the waitlist and you would have access to the plugin. As and when we get it, we'll go ahead and build applications with plugin. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.